Hello YouTube, just doing a little LED test. So here's my neon bulbs going on my Bendini motor. This is the Bendini motor output, and then it's going to a primary coil 300 windings. I have a wire down the center here that's going to this quartz crystal wrapped longitudinally, and then that's going to this pickup so I can look at it. There's lots of 2 volt uh, very sharp peaks that come off of that. And then what I'm doing over here on the either side of these coils is I'm basically just directly tapping off of this with a rail to see these diodes light up. And so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 red diodes. Earlier the one right here was lighting up, but it's not really doing it much anymore. And then on this side, this LED right here is lighting up even though that one's not, whereas before they were both lighting up. Maybe it's just a connection issue, I'm not really sure. Maybe it burnt up. But essentially, I have another red LED, and then I have 6 yellow LEDs so far. What's interesting is that these LEDs seem to prefer like a specific distance away, and when they vary from that distance, they seem to dim. Like for example, right here, it had to go across this rail, or like right here, it's not quite perfect distance, and you can see that they kind of vary in brightness because of that. I also noticed that not all LEDs are created equal, even if they're the same like color. So like these ones, it seems to really like, and then this other brand, it's really tapping a lot of energy off of. But yeah, this is a different brand as well right here. So this is like 3 different brands right there. And it seems like it wants a consistent LED brand, color, and spacing. And then you can just tap off of like a bunch of them, like make a string of them. And I'm not really sure how far you could take this, but it makes me wonder if this could, in theory, go for for really far, considering that we're dealing with reactive power and longitudinal displacement currents and whatnot. So, anyways, sorry you can't see much, but just so you know what you're looking at here, Bendini motor, supply battery, pulsing this primary coil, and then we're basically just sipping off of these two, which are obviously decoupled. So yeah, just trying to mess with the ether a little bit, see what we can do.